Good morning, children, and welcome to Tuesday's Maths No Problem lesson. It's Tuesday, the 26th of January, 2021, and we're about to start lesson 2 in the chapter on 2D shape. Remember, lesson 2 will be found in your Maths No Problem textbook, 2B, page 48. So would you like to find that now, page 48? When you find that page, you'll find the in focus task in front of you, and the title of today's lesson is Identifying Vertices. Now, children, I'm not sure if you will know that word, because when you were in year R and year 1, that word might have been known to you as, okay, the word corners. Okay, so when you see that word vertices, you might want to substitute it for the word corners. But where does that word vertices come from? Here we go. Ravi's going to explain it and Emma's going to help him. Ravi says this is a vertex of a square, and he's pointing to that corner. Okay, so one corner is known as a vertex. And Emma tells us that the plural for vertex is vertices. Okay, so that's the word in the title of this lesson. So a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Okay, but Ravi is pointing to one vertex. Plural just means more than one. Okay, and there's another new word that we're introduced to in our in focus task, and that's the word polygon. Okay, it says here, these are called polygons. And it's talking about these 6 shapes being known as polygons. They also have other names, children. So you might recognize that shape from yesterday as a triangle. But they are, the word for all of those shapes is polygon. Repeat after me. These are called polygons. Well done. What can you say about the polygons is our question. Well, we need to look at these 3 shapes and this statement here before we can say what a polygon is. These are not polygons. The circle is not a polygon. The semicircle is not a polygon. And this shape here is not a polygon either, because they, children, to give you a big clue, have sides that are curved. Okay, not all their sides. Here we've got a straight side. Here we've got 2 straight sides, but they don't have completely straight sides. Okay, so to be a polygon, you have to be a 2D shape with all of your sides being completely straight. Okay, so a polygon is a 2D shape with straight sides and only straight sides, unlike these 3 shapes here. In Let's Learn, okay, we're reminded that a square has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're shown a polygon that has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also 4 sides. Okay, remember we can mark those sides off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then this polygon here, the pink one, has 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3, and 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. We can also call this shape a triangle, can't we, children? So all of these shapes are polygons because they have straight sides, but they also can have other names. We have to know that a polygon is any shape with straight sides. And for this task, it's asking us how many vertices does each polygon have? So we've got pictures of 3 polygons, which also, as we know, can be named as rectangles or triangles, or do you know this shape, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape? I wonder if you do. That might be helpful later. So the polygon here, you're asked how many vertices, the number of vertices. You've got to complete this table, you see. So how many vertices have we got on this rectangle polygon? Rectangular. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd write 4 in that box. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd write 4 in that box. Okay, could you do the same for this polygon and this polygon? And tell me what you notice with these numbers here. Number of vertices, number of sides. Once you've completed that, the guided practice is a continuation of counting vertices. Okay, let's do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But also, children are asked to name the polygon. Remember, I said to you, these are all polygons, but they also have special names. So we know this one, this pink one, is, I know you're shouting it at the screen right now, okay, a square. Well done. So you need to name these polygons. Okay, the orange one, the green one, and the pink one. And you also have to count the vertices and the number of sides that those polygons have. Let's have a look at question 2 together. This is a quadrilateral. Remember, a quadrilateral is a 4-sided flat 2D shape. And you're asked to count the sides and write the answer here, and count the number of vertices too. I'm sure you'll whiz through that. And question 3, how many vertices and sides do each of these polygons have? So again, you're counting the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're counting the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you complete the table for these 2 shapes? Be very careful when you're counting those vertices. Once you've completed that table, you can go on to worksheet 2, page 45 to 46, and they look like this. It's more of the same. You're naming the polygons. Remember, that's a shape, a 2D flat shape with straight sides. You're counting the number of vertices. Remember, another word we've used in Key Stage 1 when we were in Year R and Year 1 would have been corners, and the number of sides. And then you're asked this question, what do you notice? I wonder what you'll notice when you've completed that table. And then question 2, how many vertices and sides does each polygon have? So again, you're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more polygons. You've got to count the vertices and count the sides. Good luck with that, children. And I've left a challenge activity for those fast finishers today on Tapestry.